Hello viewers, today's video I'll be showing how to make simple garlic bread recipe. It's very simple to make. We need very few ingredients to prepare this. So let's see how to make that. Here I have 5 cloves of garlic. Using a cheese grater I am grating it very finely. So we will get minced garlic. To this I am adding 2 teaspoons of butter. Mix well. Take a bread slice and spread this garlic butter mixture in one side of the bread slice. So here I have 4 bread slices. Now I am going to toast this until minced garlic will become slightly brown in color and crispy in texture. Right now we need to toast only one side of the bread slice. So this is ready. You can see this has become slightly brown in color. Let's toast the remaining bread slices like this. Now we need to add some shredded mozzarella cheese on top of this. Cheese you can add as per your choice. If you want to give a very thin coating, reduce the quantity of cheese. Finally, for some spiciness, I am adding some chili flakes. You can skip this if you are preparing garlic bread for kids. Now we need to cook this until cheese melts. Keep the flame very low, otherwise bottom side of the bread slice may get burnt. So always remember that. So this is ready. Let's prepare next bread slices like this. You can see here this is perfectly done. So our cheesy garlic bread is ready to serve. Hope you liked today's recipe. See you soon with another video. Until then, bye bye.